guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the Srt project car. I've got a couple things done since I last gave you guys an update. I got the heat shield installed and the AC intermediate piece to switch. Upper timing belt covers on. I'm waiting for the injector cover to show up. I'm also going to be installing the basically 0405 OEM stage 1 injectors. Those are going in. The injector cover should be here any day this week. As you can see, I'm ready to start wiring in the watt box wiring that goes to the coil and the C101 connector and the cam sensor. And but today what we're working on is scuffing these wheels down and painting them factory silver. I've got 2 of them done already off camera, and some of them came out pretty good. I mean, for what it is, it's not the best job, but it looks better than white that was chipping off. I got one of the tire machine already. Got the tire on. Gonna be putting all new valve stems in. So that's where we're at. And we're gonna go from there. Alright guys, there you have it. These 2 are done. These are both going to go on the driver's side. I'm going to work on scuffing down the other 2 wheels, getting them primed and painted and cleared. Put 2 coats of paint on, then clear them, and then mount and balance these last 2 tires next. Just go from there. But we're getting there. Alright guys, here's a little update on the Miata with the supercharger kit. We had a small issue with the fuel pump, but now we're going to take it for a ride around the block really quick. Give it the old startup, Bill. We'll hop in here. We'll go for a little cruise around the neighborhood. If you gotta roast the tires, you can roast the tires. No, I'm like it. After that one hiccup with the fuel pump, the O-ring backed out, so we had to readjust the fuel pump, put more O-rings in. Now we're good to go.
You need a seatbelt on.
Yeah, let's see. Two. Let's see here. Here we go.
It's not really warm.
Now let it warm up. Let it warm up first.
Should I get back on it again when we get down here?
Another car coming. Woo boy. Here we go. Gosh, I love this. Alright guys, this is a wrap up. Take one last look at the supercharger. That ride was good, man. Definitely put you right in the seat. Oh yeah. Running good too. Lock stayed on, yeah. Alright. I like the power steering cap you got there. Yeah, guys, that's it. We're gonna go for a ride this thing again once Bill gets the tune downloaded. Do an update for you, but there you have it. What exhaust is this again?
Cobalt.
Cobalt exhaust. Yep. Oh, there, it says it right on there. Cobalt. Yep, sounds good. Maybe in the future we'll put the headers on and the mid pipe. And this car's finished. So that wraps up the Miata, guys. We'll do an update on it soon. All right, guys, we're back. Do some more work on the project car here. Got the wheels and tires on all the way around. All four. They're all on. Gotta get them balanced later on today. Yep, they're all good to go. And yeah, I gotta get them balanced. I took the car for a ride down the road and it was feeling kind of shaky. It's either because of the ball joints or I got a bushing kit I'm gonna put in today. Propane bushing kit. Gonna do the control arm bushings, stuff like that. Everything's in here. So yeah, but the engine base is almost complete. Got the injector cover. All the miscellaneous pieces that were missing are all in the car now. I gotta get a different battery because it's too wide, and then I'm gonna, you know, take care of this issue here. There's just not enough room with the battery the way it is. So there we have it. And then, like I said, I'm gonna do the bushings right now, and I'll update you as I go along. Alright guys, a little update. I got the front bolt out. That was a pain in the ass. Took about an hour, hour and a half. I had to weld the nut on here because the nut just kept on skipping. So I got the welder out and I welded the nut in place so it stays shiny, which they should have done for the factory. And this bolt that goes up into the car, it was a pain in the ass to get out. I had to keep on tightening it, loosening it, tightening it, loosening it. Very, very slow. Sprayed it with lots of WD and that finally came out. The other side, this one comes right out and that one comes right out. So now I'm gonna move on to detaching the sway bar, dropping the ball joints and getting the control arm out and pressing the new bushings in. I'll get right back to you with an update. All right guys, a little update for you. This side's done. It was a pain in the ass. Just a lot of, they're all in. It's just a matter of, I had to heat up and burn them to get the bushings out. And a lot of rust here and there, just being an old car. But what I'm doing right now is I'm burning out the other bushings this side. Just trying to get it. It's easier just to burn it out instead of trying to kill yourself and trying to press it. It's just so much easier with the heat. It just falls apart. So that's where we're at right now. And yeah, once I get it to go be installed, I'll give you guys another update. Show you how we put it back together. Alright guys, there you have it. It's just so much easier to burn the bushings out. It just saves so much time to burn them. I mean, as long as you're not standing downwind of the smoke, you know, it just saves so much time. I have the press there, like I said, I could use the press, but it's just so easy this way. You get yourself a little $20 butane torch from Lowe's or Home Depot, MAP gas rather, and then yeah, I'm gonna wait for that control arm to cool down. I'll put the new bushings in, put the car back together, we'll go for a ride. All right guys, I'm gonna start it up. Guys, there you have it for today. Car's running great. Next time you see this car, it's going to be on the trailer, going to the paint booth, and we'll pick up from there. Car's all together. Be sure to subscribe to the channel,